there, fellow travelers. Mark here with Walter's World, and today we're in Barcelona, and today we're going to answer one of your travel questions. And this one has to deal with packing. And Katrina wants to know, Walter's World, what's the better way to pack? Is it packing cubes or rolling your clothes? And honestly, sometimes it's a combination of the two, because if you're getting packing cubes, one key thing you want to get is compression packing cubes. If you have just plain packing cubes, I don't find them as helpful. Compression packing cubes can get everything together, squish it down, and you literally could have your outfits put together just in packing cubes. So that can be very efficient. However, if you don't have the compression ones, I find that rolling your clothes actually gets more clothes into the space. However, it's a lot less organized. It's a lot harder to kind of like move around and do things. So if you're going to be like going on a cruise or going on like a riverboat cruise or a bus tour or something like that where you're in and out of your stuff all the time, I think the compression packing cubes will be a lot more helpful than rolling everything up. However, if you're going to be staying at a destination for a little bit longer, like I'm here in Barcelona for 8 days, I rolled my clothes up because then I can put it out in my hotel and I don't have to worry about it. And one thing I think is important when you are packing with packing cubes, you got to make sure that they all fit in your carry-on suitcase or the suitcase you're having, because we've had compression packing cubes that were really great, but unfortunately, because how big they were, they could only fit like one or two actually in the suitcase. And then I had like a third of the suitcase was unusable with packing cubes because the packing cubes were too big for that space. So that's why it's really important to get a mix of packing cubes, okay? Different sizes, you know, compression, whether it's wide, small, whatever. You know, maybe just have a small one. That's where you put your undies and put those in there. So something to kind of think about when you're trying to choose. And here's the thing, getting packing cubes, some of them are cheap. The compression ones are a bit more pricey. So in that terms, I don't think it's worth it for me monetarily to pay the money to get compression packing cubes, so I actually just roll, okay? Because when you roll it up, it compresses it down, it makes it easy to fit things in. And here's the thing is, if you combine the two, maybe you use the compression for the big stuff, and then that top part of your bag, you roll up the smaller things and fit them in there. So I know, Katrina, you want to know which one was better, and honestly, probably a combination was the best. But for me, I do rolling all the time. Jocelyn will do a combo. So yeah, that wasn't really helpful, I know, but it's just something to kind of think about. But yeah, compression packing cubes, good. Normal packing cubes, not so much, because honestly, it's like putting extra clothes to hold your stuff together. So, something to give you a heads up. Hope that helps, Katrina. Have a great time. I'll say bye from here in Barcelona. Oh, if you have packing questions, why don't you put it in the comments below, and I'll have Joss to do some of our packing videos, because she packs a lot of the stuff for the kids and herself, and she does a way better job than I do. Obviously, because my clothes, I make sure I pack things that are wrinkle resistant to make my life a little bit easier. Bye from here in Barcelona.